Okay, so does anyone else feel like nothing is slowly turning into the smartphone version of a buffet? Like, would you like the flagship or maybe something from the mid-range table? Ooh, don't skip the budget section. It now comes with a Pro variant too. Seriously, it's like they're trying to offer something for everyone, and then a little extra. They just dropped the Phone 3A and 3A Pro literally last month, and before the dust could even settle, boom, here comes the CMF Phone 2. And surprise, surprise, it's got a Pro version too. But here's the twist. The CMF Phone 2 Pro is showing up with a triple camera setup. So whatever we thought was the CMF Phone 2, that was actually the Pro. Based on the teaser, I'm guessing the regular CMF Phone 2 will stick with a single rear camera, maybe two at best, but a triple setup feels unlikely on the non-Pro. And thanks to a Reddit leak from user PanicCat, we got a sneak peek at the phone's backside, because of course, that's always what leaks first. We didn't get the screen or specs, but two things stood out. One, that glorious third lens, and two, the modular design is still alive and well, complete with the removable backplate and that funky little dial in the corner. Nothing even teased a graphic with 4 circles that basically scream 3 cameras and a flash, kinda soft confirming what the leak already showed. And while we're still waiting on the full spec sheet, this thing is clearly targeting the sub $300 price point. Unless those new US tariffs decide to spice things up. What's actually new? That third camera probably means we're getting an ultra wide, which is a solid upgrade from the CMF Phone 1's basic main plus depth sensor combo. Design wise, it's very familiar, but I think we'll see some differences in finishes, maybe glass or metal for the Pro, exposed screws, check. That cute little CMF knob, still there. Wireless charging? No, probably not, but fingers crossed for some cool new accessories. Performance-wise, rumors point to a Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, the same chip in the Phone 3A lineup. So yeah, this thing could actually be pretty snappy for a budget phone. The CMF Phone 2 Pro will likely launch there first with an official reveal set for April 28th, and that's just the beginning. Phone 3 is expected later this summer, right in time to square up against the next heavy hitters from Google and Apple. So yeah, nothing's doing a lot, like a lot. But you've got to admit, it's kind of fun watching them stir the pot in every price segment. That's it for now. Thanks for sticking around. Peace.